Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our world. Tasks that once required time and expertise, like creating realistic images, can now be done in seconds with AI. With just one click, you can put a smile on your face or transform your hairstyle, making AI an invaluable tool for creative expression. Beyond creativity, AI automates everyday tasks like replying to emails, studying, or offering health advice, boosting productivity across various fields, from jobs to education and politics. But wait a minute, is this tech wonderland completely free from challenges? Stay tuned as I dive into 3 major dangers that I've found to watch out for, keep you ahead of the curve in the years to come. The first danger to note is the scammer's threat. The rise of AI has enabled scammers to create highly convincing frauds. AI-generated deepfakes can mimic voices from just a few seconds of audio, making it hard to tell real from fake, particularly when targeting the elderly. In 2022, the Hi Mum WhatsApp scam defrauded over 11,000 Australians, causing losses exceeding $7.2 million. AI also powers more sophisticated phishing emails and fake websites, making scams harder to detect. In the past, scams like the Nigerian prince scam relied on poor grammar and outlandish promises to raise red flags. However, with AI, scammers can now create much more sophisticated and convincing emails. While AI offers vast potential, ensuring its responsible and ethical use is critical for protecting individuals and society. The second major danger AI poses is job disruption. Over the past couple of years, you've likely witnessed this shift. AI threatens jobs as its capabilities begin to outpace human abilities. Historically, technologies like smartphones, ATMs, and industrial robots reshaped industries, rendering some roles obsolete. However, AI's reach is much broader, impacting not only repetitive tasks, but also creative fields like graphic design and music production, with tools like Midjourney and Suno AI. What sets AI apart is its rapid and wide-ranging influence across all sectors. But here's the good news. While AI might eliminate 85 million jobs by 2025, it's also projected to create 97 million new roles. Many of these will demand AI expertise, meaning those with AI skills will be highly sought after. As the saying goes, AI won't take your job, but someone who knows AI might. Adapting quickly is key to staying competitive in this evolving job market. One of the most dangerous uses of AI is in politics. AI has transformed data utilization, enabling highly targeted political messaging. A clear example is not from this year, but from the 2016 Brexit vote, where Cambridge Analytica used machine learning to collect data from millions of Facebook users. The Brexit campaign employed this AI-powered approach with remarkable precision. By meticulously segmenting voters based on their online behavior and psychological profiles, the campaign delivered messages tailored to each individual's concerns. For instance, environmentalists were presented with ads highlighting the EU's alleged hindrance to polar bear conservation, while those wary of immigration were bombarded with misleading claims about Turkey's imminent visa-free access to the UK. The effectiveness of these AI-driven campaigns played a significant role in the narrow majority that voted to leave the EU. Therefore, it is crucial for us to understand the impact this can have on society. If AI had such influence in 2016, we must consider what it can do now that it has developed so much since then. And that's a wrap for today. Now you may ask me, what can I do to address these issues? The answer likely lies within your control. While completely stopping these challenges may be complex, taking charge of your understanding of AI is crucial. Stay informed, make AI knowledge a part of your routine, and keep up with the latest developments. By watching this video, you're already taking a step in the right direction. Now, you may be new to my channel, so if you're new, I'd like to let you know that if you enjoyed this video and want a more detailed version of it, I don't want you to miss my video where I cover the 3 dangers I discussed today, but with a more detailed breakdown and examples. I will leave the link to that more detailed version of this video in the description. Most importantly, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI topics I should cover next. Also, I don't want you to miss the video where I break down the world of AI influencers that are making money for their creators, alongside how you can create one, and also the dangers of this tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the other side.